This is a video on how to install pre-hung doors. I'm installing 3 pre-hung doors in a bedroom, so you'll see film from 3 different doors. Tools I'll be using is a 6-foot level, a driver, and a bunch of shims. If you're hanging doors, pick up a bunch of shims. So let's get hanging those doors.
I'm installing 3 pre-hung doors that I picked up at Lowe's. I'd say the build quality is okay. It's not the best, there's some problems with the finishes, but for the price it's pretty good. The sizes are 2 30-inch doors and 1 24-inch door. This rough open is a little bit smaller than it should be. Here I'm removing the little plastic keeper that keeps the door shut while it's being moved. I just removed the plastic nut, but I kept it mostly intact so that the door does not swing open while I'm installing it. The way I install a door is I set the hinge side plumb, and then after the hinge side is attached to the rough opening, you can then shim out the rest of the door so that the reveal is the same. And I'm using wedge-shaped shims to get the door in just the right spot. Once this hinge location is in the right spot, I nail it off. I put in 3 nails because it makes it easier to later trim the shims. Now I'm shimming out the bottom hinge of the door. I'm using the 6-foot level to make sure that the hinges are plumb. I've got the shims in the right spot. This part's kind of fussy, but it's best to get it as perfect as you can because it makes everything else easier later. And now I'm shimming out the middle hinge. Here's what it looks like with all 3 of the hinges shimmed out. Now that the hinge side is nailed off and plumb, I'm working on the striker side. My first shim is going where the lock set would go, and now I'm doing further up the jamb. No level required here, just making sure the gap between the door and the jamb looks right. And here's what it looks like with the bottom, middle, and top of the doorknob side of the jamb all shimmed up. One last check to make sure that the hinge side is still plumb. Looks like a good install. The gap is the same along the sides and top. An oscillating multi-tool makes quick work of trimming the shims. I thought this was a cool look with the backlight hiding the consistent gap.
So that's pretty much how I install pre-hung doors. I plumb the hinge side with a 6-foot level, get that plumb, and then from there, you just use shims to make the reveal around the door equal, so you get a nice gap, and there you go. It's a pretty simple process. When you do a bunch of doors, you can get pretty efficient. I once installed 8 doors in a house, and I got down to doing about 45 minutes each. I'm sure some people are more efficient, but I thought that was pretty good. And it's a pretty foolproof method to install a door. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.